Hi, this is Maya with IvySource Creative Consulting. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to get set up with a domain name and web hosting. So if a website is like building a house, then a domain name and web host are like the mailing address and the land where the house is going to be built. So every website needs to be essentially built on land somewhere. The files for the website need to be stored on some web host servers somewhere in order for the website to work. So I usually work with a hosting company called Midphase Hosting. They're cheap, they're reliable. I've been working with them for quite some time. So on my website, you can go to the Midphase link on the contact page, go to midphase.com. You can also check the email that I should have sent you with a link to Midphase. So it brings up the page. And you can scroll down to the hosting plans and pricing. So there are 3 hosting plans, and you only need the personal web hosting on the left. Professional and business web hosting are only if you're planning on having many websites. But since I'm working with you on just one site, the cheapest and best solution for you is the personal hosting. And I'm going to click on this down arrow here and select the 1 year, $4.95 a month plan. That's usually the best option. And then click the orange Start Hosting Today. And now it brings up a page where we can either enter a new domain name or an existing domain name. So I'm going to choose a new domain name, wowbusinessname.com, and click Search Domains. And Midphase is just checking to see that that name is not already taken, that it's still available. It should be. I just checked, so we'll wait for it to work. Okay, so that's fine. It's okay. It's selected, and it's going to come free with hosting when I sign up for hosting. So now I'm going to say continue to cart. And the wowbusinessname.com domain name is free when I purchase the hosting, and the $4.95 a month 1 year Linux personal web hosting is $59.40. But after I apply the 40% off Save Me 40 coupon, it will only come out to around $35 for the whole year, which is like paying $2.95 a month for hosting, which is really affordable. You can skip over the site lock. That's really not necessary to add to your hosting. And then we're going to proceed to checkout. So on the final checkout page, it looks like the Save Me 40 coupon didn't get added in, so we're going to add it in the coupon code area, SAVME40, Save Me 40, and then click over in the white space to let it have a chance to get applied. And now you can see the voucher Save Me 40 is going to subtract $23.76 from the order, so the total should be only about $35.64. Then you can fill in your name or your company name and billing address, whatever address you want to use. Sometimes there have been issues if the IP address location doesn't match your billing address, so just make sure those two match up so that it doesn't ring alarm bells for the company when they're processing your order. So fill that all in and then click the orange Complete Your Order. And then in a couple of minutes or within maybe half an hour, you should get an email from Midphase to verify the domain name and then giving you access to your Midphase CHI login, which is the panel where you're going to be able to control everything about your website. So just look forward to that email. If you have any questions at any point during the process, you can go to the live chat in the upper right corner. You can call up Midphase, or you can also email or call me. My info is in the link at the bottom. Okay, I hope this has been informative. Thanks very much.